They played video games. Okay. That's right. Okay. Are you ready for the next one? Let's go.
Okay.
Okay. What does it say?
Yes. Welcome to iGems.
Welcome. Welcome to iGems. Welcome. Welcome to iGems.
morninglightmusic.io.
Okay, Unit 2, what does it say?
It's family life.
That's right, what does it mean?
It's about your family.
Yeah, it's the life of a family.
Right.
Okay, let's go. Lesson 4.
Basic math.
Basic math. Yeah, do you like math?
Not much.
Oh, why not?
Because some of them are very hard. And I don't know.
Very hard, yeah, it's math's a bit difficult, like when you do it in school.
Yeah, difficulty. And when we grow up, we have a lot more things to do than just math.
What do you mean?
Working, work a computer, work everything, work until we feel tired, very tired.
What are you saying?
Still have work.
What,
Yeah.
you think we don't need math?
Well, we
Work.
need math. We need math to pay bills when we grow up.
That's right. We need math. Math is important. But this is basic math. What does that mean?
I don't know.
It means like the very beginning. The easy stuff. So maybe you know.
Oh,
Yeah. Okay, what do you see in picture number 1?
I can see the plus.
It's a plus sign. But there's another word for a plus sign.
So what is it?
It's addition.
Addition.
Yeah. Addition.
Addition.
So, if you have to plus something, it means you have to add. You have to use addition.
Okay.
Okay, picture number 2.
I see there's a boys who looking at the phone.
Yeah.
A girls. Okay.
What is that word?
I don't see any.
Something.
Something.
Something. That's right. Can you give me a sentence with something?
Something. Something is going around.
Dude. Well, what else?
Something must be. Something must be in the box.
Something must be in the box. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. That's right. Very good.